Okay, so, hey, I know it's been a while. I promised myself that I wasn't gonna do that, like make a video and then not show up ever again. A lot of things have happened. I super appreciate everyone who supported my last video. Everyone was so nice, leaving me great comments, DMing me, all of that, and I super appreciate it. I really didn't expect anyone to watch it, so the fact that I had so many people watch it and reach out to me, even people I haven't talked to in a really long time, reached out to me, so that was cool, so thank you. And I wish I would have kept making videos, but that's fine. Let's just know from here on out I am not consistent with this, okay? In other things, yes. In this, not so much. But today I thought I would come back with kind of, I guess, like a review and first impressions. I signed up for Influencer a while ago, and if you don't know what it is, you get this app and you review products, and you can take these surveys where they kind of determine for you like what products would be for you to try out and leave reviews, and it all gets sent to you for free. So I was like, why not? So I got sent this really cool box, which is why I want to make a video about it. I got sent the Ashley Graham St.Tropez box to try out, and I, as you can probably tell, am already brown, and I've never used a self tanner before, so this is going to be a whole true review for someone who's never used this before, because I've never had to. And I was more pale, like pale in the sense of a tan person. I was more pale a little while ago, but now it's spring, and as soon as I go out in the sun I just like cooked. So I'm still gonna try it out. I really want to know. I think maybe if it'll give me that kind of like glow, like J-Lo, you know, that'd be cool. I'm sure I will get more tan, so I'm not even worried about it. So inside the box came this little note card by Ashley Graham, and this is a limited edition collaboration. Let's see what it says. Our St.Tropez Ashley Graham Ultimate Glow Kit comes with a new Luxed Whipped Cream Mousse, plus an exclusive mitt for seamless application. This formula has the yummiest subtle fragrance inspired by some of my favorite scents that gives an instant and natural glow. I hope you love it as much as I do. Well, I've never used any of their products before, so I don't know the difference between this formula and the other one, so yeah, but it comes with this little mitt, super cute, and then it came in this little container. I took the lid off, and this is the bottle. Let's see how you do this. I'm kind of nervous. This could go wrong, you know. I've actually never watched a video of anyone applying this, but I've just seen self tanner go wrong. I've seen orange, and that's not my lifestyle. If you like that, I'm all for it, but I'm more of like, I like a golden bronze, not like an orangey bronze, you know, so we'll see. But let's see the directions. It says step 1 to prep, exfoliate and moisturize dry areas. 2, apply. Shake well before use. Glide on using the included applicator mitt to ensure there are no missed patches or streaks. 3, rinse from as little as 1 hour, but the longer you leave on, the deeper the glow. 4, glow. Your long-lasting self-tan will continue to develop over 4 to 8 hours. It will continue. Okay, that makes me nervous. I'm a little nervous. Patch test 24 hours. I never patch test. I'm sorry. I don't have time. Like, just do it now. If it didn't work, then we're here. I already took a shower and I exfoliate my body in the shower, and I am moisturized, so I think I'm good on that. But I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and like, I don't know. I'm scared. Okay, well, I'm gonna use the glove. I think, yeah, there's like a soft side, and then this side has like the flimsy, not flimsy, but it has like the decor. So obviously we're using this side. Oh, shake, duh. Also, I didn't really get ready. This is like, okay, so I got a haircut. I think the last video I wore extensions, but my hair was like to here. I cut my hair to like here. And I've not put heat in it in a month, and I'm kind of letting it do its thing, which I figured out I have wavy hair now. Wow. Like, I've been doing my hair all wrong this whole time, but that's fine, like whatever. Okay, so I'm going to, I don't know how much I was supposed to, but it's my leg, so you know, I'm just going to kind of, oh, it looks interesting, like mud. Okay, it feels really creamy. It smells like a hint of pineapple. Fruity. Maybe like tropical, I guess, is what the look not the smell she was going for. It's pretty cool. I don't know if you can see my leg. I guess I should have showed you. Oh, well, here's my before leg. Kind of like pale. And here's my after leg. Oh yeah, I can already tell a difference. Let me show you my legs. Okay, so I guess I should have did this in better. I'm a mess, I'm so sorry. But there's that leg, and here's this one. So instant like golden brown kind of look. I'm not so nervous anymore now that I've seen it. I guess I'm just going to do the rest of my body. I am a fan of this. As a brown girl, I was like, is this even gonna work? How is this gonna look on me? But this is actually really nice. It looks like natural. Like this looks like how I would tan. So this is cool. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to the rest of my body, and then I'll come back and I will let you know. Okay, so first impressions. She tan. So it's 3:06 right now. I just finished applying. It was pretty foolproof. You just put a little bit on the glove and kind of like spread it out. I did do my hands, and I was very cautious while doing so. I kind of tried to make sure I got in the crack without the crevices of my fingers, and didn't get the palm of my hand, which is good. And then for my back, I had to have my sister help me. So if you're trying to do like an all-over application, you probably are going to need some help to reach the back. Other than that, it was super easy, quick, and instantly loving the results. It's giving me that like golden glow that I was looking for, and not the orange one that I was trying to avoid. So far so good. I'm going to wait until 4:06. I'm only gonna leave it on an hour. I told you I'm already tan. There's no reason for me to be like Snooki status, you know. I'm only gonna get darker. So I'm just gonna leave it on for an hour and wash it off, and then kind of see where it goes from there. And then I'll probably do a check-in tomorrow. Today is April Fool's Day, and so I'm gonna do a check-in tomorrow to kind of see where my tan is at then, because it says it's gonna get gradually darker. So very interested to know about that. But so far so good. I love the results. Hopefully I love them tomorrow too. I guess I will just wait. And I put clothes on. I think I'm gonna go get boba. Hopefully, I don't know if this is transferring. Let me see. I don't see anything. I don't see any transferring, but yeah. Oh, I did not put this on my face. I put it like up to here, but I did not touch my face. I guess we will see what the results are, but so far so good. With Influencer, when you're given free products, they're giving tasks depending on like who's sending you products. So St.Tropez has like specific guidelines. So I have to do an Instagram post. I have to write a review, I believe on Sephora, Ulta. I think that's it. But yeah, so probably go do all that. So I'll check in an hour. So I got out of the shower, wash it off. I do kind of feel like a lot of the tan washed off, but it still left me with like it didn't completely wash off the tan. It just left me with a really subtle glowy tan, which is good. It says that it still takes 4 to 8 hours to develop, so we'll see how I'm feeling about it tomorrow. But so far so good. I really like it. I don't look streaky. I guess I will do a update tomorrow and see how I'm feeling about that. So I'm supposed to be working from home, so I'm gonna continue working from home, enjoy my boba, my matcha, and I will see you tomorrow. Well, I am back and it is April 2nd. It is the next day. It is 1:45-ish right now and I am tan. I really ended up loving the tan that I ended up with because I only put it on for an hour and I washed it off. It did end up transferring onto my shorts, just a little heads up, but I really ended up liking the tan and it looks really natural. Like, no one in my family even noticed that I was wearing, other than my sister because she helped me put it on my back, but no one even noticed. They kind of just thought that I went out into the sun. So for me, it looks really natural, which I appreciate. I was worried about it possibly being like orangey, but it's a very natural looking tan. It's not as dark as when you first apply it, so just like a little heads up, when you wash it off, it kind of washes off a lot of the color, but it leaves you with a more subtle natural. I also too, like, I only left it on for an hour, so if you leave it on for more you might get different results. But I think for me personally, since I'm already tan, I tan easy, an hour was like perfect for me. So if you were wanting to try this, wondering, because I think I looked on Ulta, I believe that this little set that they sent me is $54 like retail, so it is pricey, but it's, to me, it's worth it for like a nice tan. You got somewhere to go. I mean, we're still kind of in a pandemic, but you want to look good when you walk to the park. Maybe when you go to Target, you want to flex on people, because I be doing that. I gotta be the best looking person at Target sometimes. It just be like that. So, I mean, do what you gotta do, but I think I would definitely recommend this. I would definitely try it out. If you're wondering like how much I used, I probably barely put a dent. Like, a little goes a long way with this product. I just like rubbed it in, like puffed, rubbed, done. So I will get plenty more uses out of this, so well worth your money, well worth trying out. The scent is like a tropical. I didn't get any reactions. Yeah, everything ran smoothly, which I am pleasantly surprised about. So definitely go check it out. Go try it out for yourself if you were wondering, if you were thinking about it. I know, like, if you're a brown girl, tan, and you're kind of like in the same boat as me where you've never tried these type of things before but you were interested, definitely recommend trying it out. It gives you that tan that sometimes is kind of hard to achieve even naturally for us, where it's like that golden, because sometimes I be coming out a little red. So this works for me. I really like it. I promise I have more videos coming finally, and they'll be out soon. Some makeup. I really want to talk about skincare. I know you want to hear about skincare, so it's coming. So thank you for everyone who supported my last video, who's watching this video, and who will watch the next one. You're much appreciated, and I will see you next time.